Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make favorite day creme brulee step by step. Preheat your oven to a gentle temperature and prepare a hot water bath. Split and scrape a vanilla bean, then warm cream to infuse flavor without boiling. Whisk egg yolks and sugar until smooth, then temper with warm cream slowly. Strain mixture into ramekins and place in the water bath, ready for baking. After pouring custard into ramekins, cover loosely and place them in the oven inside a water bath to ensure even cooking. Keep an eye on timing because ovens vary. Start checking at 30 minutes and expect up to 40 minutes for a tender set. Remove when the edges are set and the center has a subtle jiggle. Let cool gradually, then transfer to the fridge to fully firm and develop flavor before torching. When custards are thoroughly chilled, sprinkle a thin, even layer of sugar over each surface and prepare your torch or broiler. Using a small kitchen torch, heat the sugar in circular motions until it melts and turns golden brown, creating a crisp top. Allow the caramel to cool for a moment so it hardens into a satisfying crack, then serve right away to enjoy the contrast of creamy custard and crisp topping in every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.